Rapid Holding Systems has been in business for 20 years. We sell work holding to aerospace, to military, medical, injection molding, and we also ship global. Canada, United States, Mexico, all of Europe, South America. Then we have different work holdings. We have System 3R, which we sell their products from OEM. We also sell a complete line of compatible products. Also Erowa. We sell OEM Erowa, and we sell the whole chucks to holders all along the same work holding product. Another product line we would have is the wire EDS. So all your rails, your clamping beams, vices. We sell also compatible products to Erowa and 3R, all cost-effective solutions, whether it's compatible or OEM. Another product line we have is our vice. So I'm sure you've seen self-centering vices for 5-axis, 3-axis machining, and also fifth category would be pallets for your work holding cells. We sell pneumatic pallets for all of your palletization for your CNC machine, whether it's round parts, square parts, small parts, or even some larger parts. Our compatible tooling line, the reason why we make compatible tooling, so you could buy OEM 3R and Erowa tooling, which is very excellent tooling, high precision, we sell and support. But where we have our niche is on Rapid Holding, we have a totally compatible line for the 3R and Erowa line with the same warranty, the same tolerance, the same excellent quality, but at about 40 to 50% of the OEM price. We also have a customized line. So customers come to us with all kinds of problems on a daily basis. We pride ourselves in being able to answer all of their problems and hopefully offer really good solutions. That's kind of our niche in the industry. I've been doing this for 30 years, so there is not a lot of problems that we can't solve. So as a result, we also have, in addition to our other product lines, very unique customized features. Customers send us pictures of their machines, their tables, parts they need to manufacture. So we come up with all kinds of customized solutions and in a still very cost-effective light. So it's not going to cost you a fortune to have a very customized solution to your problem. And it's a really good niche and we're good at it. It is very, very excellent in our customer support, helping you with solutions. If you need anything, look us up at rapidholdingsystems.com. We'd be glad to help you. We're here to support you. Thank you.